I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a wedding frame at home. First, gather your materials. You will need a plain photo frame, perhaps an 8 by 10 inch size, along with decorative elements such as artificial flowers, ribbons, or small pearls. Don't forget a strong craft adhesive, a pair of scissors, and a ruler to ensure precise placement. Next, let's prepare your frame. Begin by cleaning the frame's surface thoroughly with a damp cloth to remove any dust or oils, ensuring your decorations adhere properly. If you wish to change the frame's color, apply a thin, even coat of spray paint or acrylic paint. Remember to let it dry completely, which might take up to 1 hour before moving on. Now for the fun part, decorating. Before applying any glue, arrange your chosen embellishments on the frame to visualize the final design. Once satisfied, use a strong craft adhesive to secure each item, holding it firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. Pay attention to creating a balanced and harmonious look, perhaps focusing on one corner or along the top edge. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. To protect your beautiful work, consider applying a clear protective sealant, which will help preserve the decorations for years to come. Once dry, carefully insert your cherished wedding photograph or a meaningful memento into the frame. Your unique, handmade wedding frame is now ready to be proudly displayed in your home, a constant reminder of your special day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.